Hello everyone, welcome. Today we'll be looking at two words that learners wrongly mistake for synonyms. I am Haiji, your pronunciation coach. Let's take a look at these words here. These words are not synonyms. If anything, they are opposites in some sense. What does this mean? Very good, excellent, great. And what does this mean? Very bad, dreadful. Now, how do you pronounce this word? Terrific. Do not say terrific. It is pronounced terrific. That's the right pronunciation for this word. You can say her performance was terrific. Terrific. Terrific can also mean huge. For example, he made a terrific effort to rescue the child from fire. Terrific. Now, how do you pronounce this word? Terrible. Now, it's not terrible. It is terrible. Terrible. For example, oh, this is a terrible situation. Terrible can also mean unhappy, sad, unwell. For example, hey guy, what's going on with you? You look terrible this morning. Terrible, unhappy, sad, perhaps unwell. Did you get anything? I hope you did. Go ahead and like the video and share it with others. Thank you so much for coming around. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.